Diesel laptops has done a great benefit for us. A little bit on the customization of the laptop, of Diesel laptop, is I can add more stuff to that laptop, which gives me the ability to work on multiple things with one computer. For example, we have electric ion batteries that we have software that we need to go in and be able to check the cells in the battery, stuff like that. We have that loaded on the Diesel laptop. And it saves us that time. Instead of using the Diesel laptop for one thing and then having to have another computer to do another, we can load that software on there and do whatever we need to do. If you run a GSE maintenance shop, this is one product that you definitely should get. It'll save time and save money.